a look at the situation whereby you just hinted that the PDP brought about the devaluation of our currency. Now, simply put, your party failed Nigeria.
No.
Simply put, the worst we are in this country today, your party.
You forget the fact that the PDP is not the only ruling party in Nigeria.
But it is the ruling party at the center.
You cannot zero down on the PDP as the party responsible for the falling standard value of naira. No,
we should,
because we have a common market.
No, we should. Calling on somebody to resign and PDP.
That is not true. That's the mistake. They are not members of the PDP.
Where is Adamu Chiroma from? Which party?
He's just an individual. People like Adamu Chiroma, they were men of yesterday who work with the military.
What is your allowance, your take home, as a senator of the Federal Republic of Nigeria?
Well, I was not sure of your career. I would have come with my payslip for you to see. Or if you want to retake this,
you have the idea. Just give it to us.
If you want to come back tomorrow, I will come with my payslip.
I don't have to. Just give it to us. The figure.
Now, I do know where that there's no senator that earns more than a million naira. No.
President Obasanjo will not be lying. You know that.
He didn't get his facts right.
The former president, 8 years, he didn't get his facts right.
He didn't get his facts right.
It's fireworks all the way. Join us every Thursday at 8 p.m.